Sounds nice, but because of that warm-up, city leaders, state and county leaders are taking preventative steps in flood-prone areas across western New York. News 4 Shannon Smith shows us how those agencies are preparing for the flooding potential this week.
Crews spent much of Sunday along bridges, including the Union Road Bridge here in West Seneca, to break up ice in the Buffalo Creek to help with potential flooding this week. State leaders even brought in special equipment to help.
So we can protect people's lives in the aftermath of a huge blizzard, unprecedented low temperatures followed by unprecedented high temperatures.
Bridge by bridge, crews are using excavation equipment to break up the ice in the Buffalo Creek and other waterways in western New York. The goal to help with water flow and reduce the risk of flooding.
We've been lucky today. It got a little warmer than it was supposed to get, but nothing's moved yet. The creek is status quo. It's the same as it was last night. The water gauges have not come up at all yet. We've been monitoring them all day.
Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul says Governor Andrew Cuomo waived DEC regulations, which would otherwise require a permit for crews to do this.
The county, the state, the city, and the towns are working very collaboratively to make sure that we prevent any loss of life or property. So we're in a much better place than we've been in past storms, compared particularly with 2014, when there was a lot of flooding, a lot of people's lives were affected.
Erie County crews are working with city and town leaders in the most vulnerable areas, such as West Seneca, parts of Cheektowaga, and Amherst along the Tonawanda Creek.
Providing resources if they don't have them, as well as sending out. We went along and cleaned out any debris along any of our bridges that may cause damming.
And for those people living in the vulnerable areas, officials are asking them to also take precautionary steps as well, and reminding people to check their sump pumps and make sure they have fuel.
You know, I think the most important thing is looking around, making sure the storm sewers are clear, nothing, and if they see something, notify local officials, and they can come out and take a look at it.
I'm told crews will be back out on Monday, and they'll be focusing their efforts in the city of Buffalo. In West Seneca, Shannon Smith, News 4.